In this video, I'll guide you on connecting your Clickbank account to PayPal. Begin by opening your Clickbank account and logging in. Access the dashboard and click on Settings. Under Payment Settings, you'll find the option to connect with PayPal. Click Connect Now, and you'll be redirected to a PayPal page. Enter your PayPal email address, country, and region, then click Next. Provide your PayPal email and password to log in, and click Login. Afterward, click Agree and Connect. You'll receive a confirmation message on PayPal. Click Go to Clickbank to return to your Clickbank account. Ensure that your PayPal account accepts US dollars as a currency. To do this, open your PayPal account, click Pay and Get Paid, then select Money and add US dollars as a payment currency. Back in your Clickbank account, under Payment Settings, you can check the status of your PayPal connection. Once it shows as connected, customers can select PayPal as a payment method on Clickbank order forms. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.